This guy must be a criminal.
Maybe criminal.
Officer, he go station today.
No problem, sir. Hold it there. You are under arrest.
Officer, under arrest for what? For carrying 2 babes. You be Solomon. But that's my money now. I'm getting cruise with them.
That's your money because you have money. You carry girls around. So you have been the one that is fornicating with Nigerian girls, giving them belly.
Having fun, Abi. But officer, fornicate is just a normal thing.
Oh, yeah. Fornication is a normal thing.
Yes, it's a normal thing.
Officer, this guy must be a criminal. Hey, 30 VG. Hey. Identify yourself.
I'm a celebrity, sir.
Yes, celebrity.
Yes.
What's your name?
Junior OPO, all the way from Lagos down to Ebonyi State.
Oh, can I see your ID card?
See the ID card. Hey.
Oh, condom, na ID card. Valentine condom.
Why are you embarrassing me like that?
Yeah. Draw me nearer to you. Thank you. Draw me nearer to you.
Wait them.
You under arrest?
Me arrest.
Oga don't kill you today. You know that? Let me tell you, say maybe they can't draw me nearer.
You be mumu.
If you're under arrest,
Think say they wise.
you're under arrest.
You are a mumu man.
For deceiving an officer, a sergeant like me.